good. Oh, Jesus. Okay.
Oh, I'm here for it.
Oh, good. Oh, good. This is answering a question that I've had ever since I picked this up. So this is here's the thing. This is another terrible like combination toy, like blind boxy thing. It's a Noms Snackables snow cones with 8 surprises inside.
Is it sweating? Graham, I will notice that. Did that come out of the fridge?
No.
Came from the dump truck.
That's what I was afraid of.
Yes, no, the dump truck just brought this. So it's, according to the image, there's like tiny, presumably terrible figures in it. Now one of them is saying, "Don't eat me," and it's like, okay, obviously you're not supposed to eat the thing. But the brand is Num Noms, smells so delicious. And I'm like,
Oh no.
add water for magic scented snow surprise. Hey, good job, Jordan.
Get wrecked, Matt. No.
This one.
This one goes to me, Corey.
I was lied to by chat.
The point is, I worry that you're not actually supposed to eat this.
Okay, well let's find out.
As someone who's nannied many, many years of my life, this is the sort of toy that I just like, I see it and I try and hide it.
Yeah, this looks like it's...
This is death.
This looks like it is meant to be, like, all the packaging seems like it is on purpose being opaque about what it is.
Okay, -1 then.
No, we're good. Well, I'm curious to see whether it's edible or not.
Okay, read instructions first for the perfect recipe. Oh, there we go. So only once you open it does it say, "Don't eat me" or the snow in question. So the outside of the packaging does not, it says it's Nom Noms Snackable snow cones, and only once you open it does it say, "Don't eat it."
So if you're in a hurry, you might miss that.
What?
Or if you're 4.
What is it then?
I don't know.
Kinetic sand?
I don't know. We're gonna read the instructions. Oh, it comes with a tiny scoop.
That's adorable.
Okay.
Don't eat the scoop.
No, this is not the instructions. This is all the different possible toys that you could get. Pour water, watch the scented magic snow grow, and then dig for hidden characters. Okay. So we get to act. Look, man, I don't know what this is.
Is this a Kevin thing?
Potentially? Yeah, we might have to go.
Yeah,
This
you know
is like
what?
one of those toys where you dig the dinosaurs out of the ground.
Yeah, but you have to make it
Gotcha.
first. Okay. So remove the seal on the snow cone cup. There'll be a dissolvable bottom layer inside the cup. Do not remove it. Pour room temperature water into the cup, fill to the top. Watch as the water turns into scented magic snow. Wait 3 minutes. And then use the spoon to scoop out the magic snow and dig through to find your 7 Num Noms.
Don't eat any.
There
of
it is. I finally found it. It's even in bold. Contents are not real food. Do not eat the snow or the characters, as it is not intended for consumption.
This is the stupidest marketing
Yes.
I've ever heard.
I do have to point out, though, that not intended for consumption does not mean toxic.
Oh, Ian, no.
No.
Rules lawyering the do not eat messaging.
Technically, it cannot be a toy if it's toxic. That is a legal thing. But
I mean, from what era?
this toy is exactly the toy that a grandparent would give because it's messy,
Oh no.
miserable, and then there's the risk of death. Like,
Wow.
So how much room temperature water do you need?
Like this much?
Wow.
I was
Okay.
half expecting it to be
Whose bottle
like
is that?
boiling water.
Goodbye, Jordan's bottle.
All right.
My hydration suffers for art.
All right.
Sample
Let's
your
go.
genetic material.
Excuse me, our amazing giveaway that you can still.
If only
Yeah,
there
get
was
that
some
over
way
that
to
way.
replenish your water bottle,
24
Jordan.
cents. You can whip
Let's,
it.
Man's
one
flesh
sec. I'm gonna go get a
belongs
plate.
himself.
In
The
fact,
water belongs
hang
to
on.
us.
Can you give me any of those? Let's take those anime faces down. I can't believe they lasted an
I
entire
was
day.
shocked that they were still
Here.
there.
There's Vegeta.
Goodbye, Vegeta.
Goodbye.
I believe we determined that it was Snarky Goku.
All right,
yes.
Kevin.
Jordan?
Kevin's looking a little hot right now. Oh, I see why. The softbox popped off.
Noms Snackables.
Yeah, they say.
Don't eat it.
Yeah. Still looked a little overexposed on Kevin at the
eat it.
moment, but
Feel free to turn the brightness on the light. We don't have control over it.
Warning.
yes,
oh man.
I can do that.
Okay.
Hang on.
Graham,
Yeah.
there's more to this warning.
Oh, please.
Adult supervision is required.
Well,
when
we don't have
children are
that.
Playing around water.
That's a good gift.
Because they might die.
Yeah.
How's
Do
that
not
look?
allow children to play with water near an electrical source or apparatus in order to avoid electric shock and/or electrocution.
Oh, I love FX.
Is that what you're doing right now?
Do not leave the cup filled with water near electric
Oh,
devices.
God.
Wow, that's.
It's
Can we zoom in on that at all? Because that's looking horrifying.
I hate it.
Oh.
I hate it.
It's cloudy and weird.
I hate it. Oh.
So it says, they say it's going to take 3 minutes for whatever's about to happen to happen.
So the timer, I
so
guess.
stupid.
Well,
So I get, oh no, oh God.
Oh, is it go? It's doing
Oh,
something.
wow.
Yep.
Oh, I don't like it.
Oh no!
here we go.
No one can stop the blob.
Da 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 da.
Wow, that got a lot bigger a lot more quickly than I thought it would.
I think I've seen this horror movie.
Okay, well that was, now we have to leave it for another 2.5 minutes, so let's flip the pips and we'll keep an eye on it.
So if we put our blood in
Great
there, is that how we
music.
find out if we're the thing?
Yes.
Yes, if you cut yourself and it turns into that, you are definitely the thing.
While we're waiting for that abomination to finish brewing and bubbling,
Oh my gosh, yes.
we got a point.
Yeah, good job.
Taints. Oh, yes, Ian. Wangle the dangle.
Or whatever it is you need to do.
You didn't there. Whoa!
Loud, there we go.
No, it's done. I crashed it. Yeah.
What happened?
He ground on the left!
We just got a point!
And the bus stop.
Why? Were you distracted?
Yes.
Oh, in that case, I'm excited. Mac crash the whole bus on the left side. On the left side. Matt crashed the bus on the left side. On the left side. Here's how we offered your life. Couldn't work. Bus on the left.
It's a big green button, Matt. So now what are we going to name the driver?
Matlock.
Okay.
You had that ready to go.
Yes. It's Goose's partner.
Oh, hey, we broke $430,000.
We did matter.
No, Matlock.
Is there someone named Goose on Matlock?
Oh no, I was talking about Top Gun.
Weird.
That's Maverick.
That's Maverick. Goose and Maverick. And we already did Maverick.
I stand by Matlock.
My grandma used to watch Matlock every day.
Here, have your instructions back, please.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, we can't throw them away either.
We still have time.
No, it says please keep this manual as it contains important information.
Ah, I see.
There's no.
What?
When you have to
Just
call the
forever?
hazmat team.
Rude.
Yeah.
Rude.
What?
Well, now you have
What
negative
is
6.
immersion?
Good. Good.
Uncalled
time's
for.
up.
What? Do you know what this smells like?
What?
Here, try it and see if you can guess what I'm thinking.
Huff this.
What is that?
Let me huff this.
I definitely know what that smell is.
Oh, that's double bubble. Bubblegum.
Yeah.
No, that's Big League Chew.
Oh, it is.
Oh,
It
yeah.
is. It does smell
Full-
like Big
full
League
Big
Chew.
League.
Wow, that's really heavy.
So, here's my idea for a toy.
Huh.
We get some artificial bubblegum scented sand,
Okay.
and we bury inedible toys in it.
Yep.
And we're gonna call it Yum Yums
Snackable.
Snackable Snow Cones.
Have
Don't
a-
eat it.
Have a sniff.
Oh, yep. This is that is how kids end up in the ER.
Everyone, give it a sniff, and then I'll
it's got
get
like a
I'll
graviness
get digging with the.
You weren't kidding about the weight.
I'm gonna give this a huff.
Oh yeah, this is. I have just finished my Little League game.
Yep. That is a hefty boy.
Ooh.
Well, it weighs as much as all the water that went.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it sure does.
It smells delicious.
Don't eat it, even though it's called Noms Snackables.
You got a good
Wow.
spoonful.
Yeah, Andrew, look at the packaging. Like, look at the massive confusion of the packaging.
This is food.
Yeah, I know. It would
This
have
is
been.
1,000% food.
But it's not.
And then there's a really tiny thing that says, "Don't eat me."
But it's one of the characters, and then you're like, well, of course you don't eat the toys.
This would have been bad enough if it was like floral scented or like I don't know anything except literal actual food smell.
Okay,
Did Matt get a huff of this?
This is
I have not had a huff of it.
this is why they don't smell Kinder
Ooh,
Egg smell.
that
This is why they
smells-
don't sell Kinder Eggs in the U.S.
before we get
What?
You can't buy Kinder Eggs in the U.S.
They
You
were
can buy
banned because of
choking hazard.
choking.
Oh wow, we are
eat the whole thing?
$100 away from our desert buck.
What?
Oh,
Okay.
We
What?
just broke
we have a very
$431,000
spicy giveaway going on right now.
that we've been paying no attention to.
Yeah, the characters are named Nom Noms. Oh, they are food themed.
What?
Yeah,
Oh
they're all
no.
cute little like food snack things.
That's the. Oh, this just gets dumber and
I,
dumber.
I just got here, so Matt, could I ask a favor of you?
What would you like?
What is the giveaway that you're running right now?
The giveaway we're giving away right now is the Ravnica Allegiance Mythic Edition. It is that right there, complete with post-it note detailing what it is called.
Ravnica Allegiance.
Given from the description, this unique draft experience features 24 Ravnica Allegiance boosters, 8 of which have been seeded with premium full art foil Planeswalker cards, featuring new Planeswalker cards like Kaya, Orzhov Usurper, and Domri, Chaos Bringer, RIP, alongside classic cards like Tamio the Moon Sage, Soren Markov, and Dak Faden, also RIP.
Justice. Hashtag justice for Dak.
Gather 7 of your friends and experience a draft experience unlike any other. No, don't miss it! Ah, no!
you might be able to get it.
No, I
you
have to
can,
give
you
up.
can get the bus stop even if the bus stop is just off the screen.
I have done
Yeah, it slipped a little too fast. This is the cursed run.
You are still like crushing it this year, though.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
Okay,
I,
so
what just happened with the points there?
Yeah.
I lost another one.
He stole mine again, and then he crashed. Because we got a point.
But he was at 2.
We got a
was at
point,
3.
and then
I was at 7.
Dang.
cool.
bad things happened.
But then I crashed and lost
Okay,
them all. I had
so-
them all deducted. So anyhow, about this giveaway, donations of $8.24 or multiples thereof will get you an entry or entries into this giveaway for the Ravnica Allegiance Mythic Edition anytime in the next 36 minutes. So get those donations in while you can.
So there's 100 of these horrifying things to collect. And so there's the different kinds of snow that you can get. I think we got cherry, because it's all these have 2 colors, and it certainly isn't birthday sparkly snow.
No.
Does it list them all?
Oh yeah,
Do you
Cherry,
the 100
orange.
things that you have to collect?
yes.
All right.
So-
Can we get some Poke Rap music?
For
Yeah.
science's sake,
Yeah.
and to never do what Daddy Ian does, I'm willing to put some of that in my mouth
don't.
just to get
No.
the mouthfeel and to expectorate off camera, just so we know that for a fact that this does not
Is there an
taste the
ingredients
way it
list on that?
smells.
This is the time.
Ian, if you do this, I'm putting my mic down and walking away from the stage because I will not be an accomplice to this.
As someone points out, it's probably just colorful silica gel.
Oh, that's awful.
I don't think there's an ingredients list.
Do not eat.
It's not food.
I just want to say, I appreciate the intent. I am very curious about the mouthfeel, not that curious. No, it doesn't
Look,
say
at
what
least
it
use
is.
a dental dam.
That's sort of the taste.
Yeah, I have no. Okay, let's start digging. Can I have camera 7?
Let us unearth.
Hey Pete, how's it going? Oh.
I
Ooh.
am struggling desperately with temptation.
It's
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Maybe not from that high.
Yeah, Graham, on camera, that looks like you're just dumping it into your lap.
it's really crumbly.
Great. So we can dig it out and just throw it away.
That is so good.
This is the most cursed thing we've ever done.
Where are these things? There's supposed to be 7 of them in here.
They're all in the bottom.
Oh, the smell is intensifying.
It sure is.
It's only when you feel fear that you find the treasures buried.
Oh, there's one. Is that one?
I can't tell.
Oh, there's another.
Are they just all at the bottom?
Wait, did our
Wow.
archaeologist already go home?
So there's just a.
It's like the fruit on the bottom yogurt cups.
This is a terrible user experience.
Is it? Oh my goodness. Really? Really?
Yeah, they're just all in a
That's so stupid.
like.
They're right in there.
It's because it's not even like it says on the outside of the
Yeah,
packaging.
they're not distributed
They're just
in
all
the
Is there
sand.
just a plastic bag
There's
at
a
the
blister pack underneath the slurm.
Jesus.
Oh God,
Did you cut yourself?
no.
Oh, one fell out.
Good. Okay.
is-
It's a yellow
Can we get some rinse water?
cat-looking thing. Whoop. Hang on. Horrifying. How do I get the rest of the? Oh, okay.
Ah, that might be the Nanners kitty.
Excuse me.
Maynard's kitty?
Nanners? Like
Nanner,
banana?
like banana. Nanners kitty.
Oh gosh. Really
yes.
investigating, or yeah, you really gotta get it. Oh God. Really
The
gotta get
perfect
into
toy for a child.
Okay.
Currently
There's like a-
flummoxing an adult.
Okay, I've extracted all of them. They were just sitting in like a thing at the bottom. Of the, like, what was the point of any of that?
Oh, I know what to do.
Uh huh.
You remember when we panned for gold?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Let's.
I
Oh no,
remember
it's
that. I
on
watched
me.
that episode last night.
It's on me. I wish it wasn't on
Some
me.
of this convenient toy.
Oh, thank you. That's perfect.
Graham has now been infected.
Patience here.
The first victim is claimed.
Brett is extremely ready engineering.
I swear to God, if you turn on that vacuum,
Just
Brett,
making sure.
I swear to God.
Just rinse these,
Here's a. Yeah.
and then I'll collect them.
Do you want the scoop?
No.
Okay. Well, now we have a plate of this.
Enjoy.
Be very careful with it.
Does it go in the compost or the garbage?
It
Goes in the incinerator.
Can it?
What a terrible like. Every part of this product was bad.
How much did it cost?
Well,
$7.
I think so. I don't remember. It was around that.
Graham, we're not being given gifts from the luxury
No,
truck. It's
this
coming
is the
from
dump truck.
Yeah.
Oh, can I? Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't recommend getting too
Also the
close.
package, probably.
I'm gonna go. I'm also gonna wash my hands. Actually, now that I think about it, could you mute me? Nobody
Yeah.
nobody needs to hear this.
Yeah.
Just press the button right there. Just press it once. Great. Thank you.
For those saying to put it into Ian, no. I already know for a fact that you are swamped right now. I don't need to take an Ian in and tell my coworkers, hey, sorry, I swear everything's okay.
We sure are so close to a desert buck right now.
Yeah.
We're tantalizingly close to a desert buck. I don't know. What can I do to make this desert buck happen faster?
What? You're $1,030 away.
Shutting down everybody's perversions earlier.
But comms team is the perverted team.
Fuji has like dagger eyes on you right now.
Hang on, what was that diamond that was over here?
What? Oh yeah, it was the Sims diamond. I think it was still in that layer.
Amazing.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is powerful.
They're food themed.
Sure.
There's like a lime slice. There's
You should go to Kevin Camp.
yeah, I should definitely go to Kevin.
What did Foucault say about the simulation and the simulacrum?
Not to eat either of them.
Yes.
So I don't know how much we can zoom in on this.
Doubloon for scale.
Did we get any rare drops?
I don't know.
The thing lists if they're rare.
Oh, that one's an orange wedge.
Lime bear.
This is like a gumdrop or something.
I assume
hold on,
this
we
was,
can
yeah,
tell you
careful
which
with
one
the top of
is
your head,
which.
Alex. It's messing up the focus.
So
This is kind of cute.
Cappy
this
orange.
is sour
Oh, it's a
slice.
sausage.
Kidney bean.
Well,
I don't think it's a kidney bean. I think that's a sausage because it's got the little tied off
Lavender
end.
Town theme.
That's water. No, that's flipper bean.
Raspberry.
okay. At least one of those has to be rare.
And Donut Chan. And Donut Chan too.
Yeah.
I can tell this isn't a Blizzard loot box because it's not three grays and a blue.
A blue that you already have. Why